These little cute things are pumpkin pie shooters with sprinkles on them, homeboy. That's right, we going sexy for this time of year. So we start off with marshmallow cream. Look at that, nice and thick. Take a spoon, seriously, eat some, fill you right up, okay? Part of my diet. Graham cracker crumbs, start off with that little marshmallow thing, rim it in that, stick it in the graham cracker crumbs, and now we have a sexy little glass rim, followed by some whipped cream vodka. Hit that with some pumpkin spice liqueur. No, you cannot get it at Starbucks, girls, okay? I'm sorry, stop crying. Then we get some pumpkin pie creamer, some pumpkin pie mix, a lot of pumpkin going on here. It's super pumpkin-y, okay? Hit it with some vanilla extract and we blend away. That is our mix. I know you're going, well, Sky, can you drink pumpkin pie mix? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Trust me, I've done it many times. You'll be surprised at some of the stuff I've drank, okay? Put on our little whipped cream topping, sprinkle on our little sprinkles, exactamente, sexified, perfect for your little holiday season, okay? Let me whip off my glass, do a little pose, wink, 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 good to go.